Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turned Asana into my kind of, I guess you could call it my operating manual. Basically what you see here is I have all these different projects and they all correspond to the different areas of my business. So there's marketing, sales, client management, financial, administrative, client list, and then some miscellaneous tasks. And what I've done is in each one of them, I've gone ahead, I still have some work to do, but it's getting there, is I've added all the different things that I can be doing for marketing. So some of these I'm not even doing. I don't do a lot of joint ventures. I'm not doing any affiliate programs. I don't really have any case studies, but they're there for one day when my business expands to include them as well. Some of these things are shown too for what I do versus what my VA does. And if you look in each task, actually, let's go into this one here. It'll tell you how often it has to be done, the purpose of it, the actual physical steps to be done, any passwords that are needed, notes that are in there as well. And then there's actually, I created a private video, an unlisted video on YouTube so you can see exactly what has to happen. So some of them have the video, some of them don't. We're working on it, we're getting there. It's our goal by the end of the year to have this completely filled out. As you can see, there are all of these product tasks here, client management, come on. And all of these things need to be filled out. They all need to be done with a little video for them as well, so that we can kind of turn this into a living, breathing manual. Now, what you can also do is schedule the tasks. I don't, because we have another spreadsheet that tracks all of that, but we can actually go in here and say, okay, client intake, this is supposed to be done every day. So you can create the due date and even set it to repeat. So once she completes it, you'll see it again. Same with scheduling, all of this. Financial, all me. We're building up a team, we're getting there. But this is how I used Asana to essentially create a kind of an operating manual that's a little bit more than just a book to look at. So it's not just a Word document that has what's everything supposed to be happening. It has video, it has more to the point what the actual purpose is so that you understand why are we putting this blog post up every day? Well, here's why. So this is something fun you can do. We are later on this year going to be doing a little event to help you get your operating procedures in place. So this will be a really, really good little thing to have going before that, so you can help to move your business along a little bit as well. All right, everyone, see you next week.